God, look at this freaking idiot. What the hell do you call that bloody thing? What? Goddamn cyclist! What a freaking idiot! What do you call that? You're a knob! What kind of bike do you call that?
Well, it's my
God!
bike.
That's awful!
It's fine.
What on earth are you riding that for, you Joey?
My name's Joey, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I can see that! Bloody hell! I mean, look at this! Look!
It's really good.
You're holding me up, man!
Don't smash my bike up! No! It's my mint bike, leave me alone!
I'll show you a real bike. Look, this is what you want. Look.
That's not a real bike, this is!
No, it really isn't.
Start hitting it again. This bike's fine. Here we go.
Okay, here we have a picture of Wang's, Wang's mountain bike. This is Wang from China, as you can clearly see. He designed this absolute brilliant machine.
Yep.
It's missing a crank arm for lightweightness. It helps it ride better. This is approximately a week old. The folding mechanism broke, so then we put some weld on there.
Yeah, it's about a week old.
Yeah, this is, it's got these brilliant wheels.
You want to see the bentness.
And, the bearing play. The nuts are cross-threaded from the factory, so we put some quick release weld on it, as you can see.
Quick release weld.
And
so you need a welding so if you want to take it off.
Yeah, and look, the back wheel has brilliant bearings in it from standard. The brake has these plastic and metal brake shifters, levers, which are absolutely awful.
They're mint.
It has these brilliant, look how well set up this was from the factory.
Yeah.
It really does something. And yes, this is Wang's folding
Pacific
Land Rover Challenge mountain bike. And we're going to
it actually says Land Rover on it, guys.
And we're going to jump it off of here.
Well, we're not going to jump it, we're going to throw it.
Throw it off of there. Send it off of there. So, right, I've got to run.
Brilliant. Hopefully Wang's still intact.
Wang live.
Will Wang live? Will Wang be alive still? Look at that. He's just going to drag
the bike carefully. Stronger than a rotten piece of wood.
Wow, a lot of things are. most things in your garden are more capable of off-road than that. And the things in his garden include a moped.
Which are known for their off-road ability.
And a what else is in there? A Sinclair C5. Which is definitely more off-road capable than that. Definitely. Wang's still there, look, he's still on there. Let's go, Wang. We're going to keep Wang and put him on some more bikes. The bike wants you to... Tom, guess what? Go get it, bud. Honestly, I think if I chucked the Myers off that, it would actually live better. It would actually, it'd die more because it's got more, expensive parts on it. But when you jump it, it'll be fine.
Even the Earth wants it to go back into this.
Yeah, the Earth's like, fuck this. Can you film me chuck it now, please? Let me film. Right, you film, I'll go get it. Make sure to not stop filming. If someone calls, just reset it.
Okay.
Just wanna, hang on. Here we have a proper mountain bike. Just have a look around that and tell the differences between this and that while I go down and get this mint thing.